Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to do a quick video to show you how to utilize your Fibonacci retracement tool. Um, Let me just give you a quick settings, how I have my fib set up. And forgive if you guys hear my birds in the background. But this was drawn off a swing high, swing low. So, meaning, if you look at, let me get this out of this area. I don't want price. Um, I don't want to show you guys price. Okay, so let me pull up my fib again, and I'm just going to draw this going up from the swing low to a swing high as if this was an uptrend. I want you to take notice that I have my golden zone laid out, my 0.618, my zero point 0.5, and my 0.382. This is your golden zone, as many will refer it, as your retracement area, because that's the purpose of a Fibonacci tool. It is to locate retracements, aka pullbacks, for continuations. So I drew this on an uptrend. So if price was going up, meaning I caught a swing low to a swing high, that's from 1 to 0, I would expect price to retrace in this area. Also, key thing, do not draw a fib if you do not have a pullback. You have to have a pullback on your fib in order to get, I feel, to get the most out of the tool. Okay? So if price is going up, I have my take profit areas. And that is from the 0 area, the 0.27, the negative 0.27, and the negative 6.8. So if price comes down into my 6.8, my 0 0.5, or my 382, and this is from a swing low to a swing high in an uptrend, a bullish move, I'm looking to take profit here, here, and here. Now, let's remove this, and I'm going to show you the opposite. This is from a swing low, a swing high, I'm sorry, to a swing low. And as you can see, the way that you plot it is how the fib will adjust itself. You don't need to do any other adjustments. So if you're going to plot it on a bearish movement, which is from a swing high down to a swing low, these will be your plot areas. Okay, this will be how your fib will plot. This is your golden zone, and this is your take profit areas from the 0 to 0.27, negative 0.27 to negative 618. Do you have to take this as your take profit areas? No, you don't. Because sometimes price might not even make it down here. Price may just retrace and come down, especially if it's consolidating or looking to do a reversal, come down to your 0 and start to go up. When does your fib become invalidated? Your fib becomes invalidated once price starts to go and break basically the high. The highest high. If you're, it's nothing different than if you are analyzing the market. If this is a bearish movement and you have a high to a low, you're expecting you're expecting to create a lower high and a lower low. So if you're creating a higher high, this fib now becomes invalidated. Now let's plot this on the chart. How do you plot this on the chart? You heard me mention a lot swing high, swing low. I'm going to make this fully, I want to do this in less than 5 minutes. So let me pull up a fib and show you. I see a swing low to a swing high. I'm going to connect my 1 up into my 0. Keeping price in the trend line. You saw that it broke and it came down for the continuation. And we also see that it's reacted off of the 7.89 and price is starting to go up. So if you utilize your fibs, you can utilize it, take these little cells in here as well. Now, if I'm going to do from a seller's point of view, which is basically right here. A swing high. Oh my gosh. When I'm recording, it doesn't allow me to pull my tool from the top. A swing high down to a swing low. This is current price. This is exactly how I draw my fib. Because honestly, I don't do back testing. I don't do for hindsight. So I have to just draw this in real time for you. So as you can see, my swing high down to my swing low, and I keep price within its trend line. I'm starting to see the rejection or the retracement at my 0.382, and price is starting to, it should either retrace or it could break above here and retrace from the 6.8. Sometimes it'll trace from the 7.89. So I'm not going to teach you the technicals because that's something everybody should be able to work on. And I went over 5 minutes. But this is basically how you draw your Fibonacci lines. And if you do not want to use my settings, let's just remove this. And you just want to draw the fib levels itself without moving your mouse, you could just go straight up. You know, make sure that it's lined up. And some